Welcome back. Learn how to edit who is the strongest or 1 versus 1 for any character. Wow, you are in the right place. Ready, let's set go. To prove that who is stronger, who is weaker, just bring both of the clips here, and here is necessary that you select this one and import all of your audio clips as well. And first clip is here and make it a little bit bigger, and the second clip is here. Place it there and bring it back to the screen so that they would look visible. So make them enlarge like this one, and here is my character. You can write this text up to the window you want it to be appeared there. So first thing, you write the text here. For example, these are 2 characters, upside and downside. You write these 2 characters name and versus, like this one is fighting with this one. So that's it. You can increase and decrease, and you can also import fonts, as I have so many videos about the fonts. And once you are done here, you need to match the beat as well. This is the music I will place later. At this place, maybe I need this one text back like this place and make it shorter as well, and this one make it shorter as well. It starts like that. I want this one to be winner. Then what I need to do, I just copy this one and paste it here first, and you can make it enlarge like this one up to the screen like this one, and here you can type your text again. I'm just copying this text. Oh, for example, I say, oh, seems stronger, right? So this is my text, and then at this place I need to bring this character here, and if I say it's bigger now, so this one is here, and I can write the text again. For example, this text I copy and here I bring it back and change this one, and I say anything, I will beat you, right? So this is your character. Now it will look like this one if I play, and it is gonna be fine. And now we need to choose the winner. For example, this is my winner, and I need to copy this one, and here I need to paste it again, and here I need to copy the text as well, and here I say I did it, right? So that's just for my text. You can write any text here, and here it's right now this one is the winner. And what I need to do, I need to match now the beat. Where is my beat? I have this one, it starts from this one. For example, right now play. And here in the meantime you can do some animation as well and use the effects and keyframes as well. For example, your video is not moving perfectly, you can place one keyframe here. If I zoom this one and make it like more aggressive or something, you can place one keyframe, stay on the video, go to video and add one keyframe, and here I need to make it like a little bit more zoom like this one, and the other keyframe, and then at this place I make it more bigger like this, and at this place go back like this one. So it will like look like more professional if I do this one, if I play. And you can do it for both of the videos and match the beat. This is very much important. And in the meantime you can add a transition between these two. For example, this is a transition, I want to put it here, and you can always decrease and increase the size of transition, right? So now your character appears here, the other character appears here, and here you need to change the beat. At this place you cut this audio and bring the winner beat. For example, I have a beat for the winner here. I need to bring this beat to that timeline, right? So what I can do, I simply drag this one here and boom. And here you can also use the keyframes to make it more, you know, looking awesome. Here I can cut this part back and you can do this one, and here one keyframe is here, and here I rescale this one like this, and here I rescale back right in the center. It should like animate. If I play from this part, it will look like that. So you can cut the extra music part here by clicking this one and splitting this one into 2 parts and delete the extra part here. And in the meantime you can also do the keyframes for the text to make it more attractive. So for the text keyframes, position here and here, I rescale this one a little bit small, and at this place I just rescale this one bigger, make it another keyframe, and here I rename this one, and boom, it will appear with the beat. Right. So to make it more effective, you can add some effects. For example, I just drag this effect, and this one I make it more smaller. I just do this effect as well. In the end, I will show you that what it looks like. If you do it with more consistency and more hard work, then you will get more awesome results. So let's play video from the start. It will look like this one. Alright, so this is how you can create 1 versus 1, and you can take any video anywhere. So that's simple, easy. Remember to match these beats. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then do it today. I would need your support. And if there is any comment, if you want me to make such videos, then write in the comment section and hit that like button as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.